Hey, how you guys doing? This is Brother from the Third Stone, Yao speaking, and I just purchased a burst. And if nobody knows about this, this is like a water flosser, plus I have a sonic toothbrush. Now it just came in today, and I'm here to unbox it for you. As you know, it comes in this purple box here, and I got the color black. Using these scissors to cut through this madness, and here we go. This is streamlined. Also, I have here my old dental flosser, which is a B. Weiss. Lasted a good little while, but it finally gave out because the bottom separated itself. So now I have to purchase a new one, which I did. Now, here is the main part. And I think I'll have to charge it, or if not charging, put it to the battery, but it's already been done. So now it comes with a stand, and hopefully you can see all this, and very easy to assemble. I'm not even looking at it, y'all. I'm just plugging it in. So there you go, right? There it is, burst. Turn it around. Let me get the old one away. And it's blinking. And it's on. Let me try to shut it off. I hope you can hear that little noisy sound. So there's one. Inside here, I'm sure, is the replacement head. And it comes in this pretty little package. Now, let me crack it open. I haven't even read the instructions, my friend. I'm just going. Because I feel that I don't need them. And it plugs right in. You take this cap off and you plug it right in. And here we go again. Yeah, I like that. Now, as you see, I put it in the charging stand and it starts to blink because it's not put into a USB port or into the wall. Let me move this over to the side. We have that burst, and that is a toothbrush. And here is the dental flosser. Again, nicely packaged, as you can see. It's already charged up. And I'm going to open it up inside. Looks like here you have the reservoir, which probably goes on nice and tidy. There you go. There you come with the classic tip. USB. Which and oops, excuse me, I'm sorry. Water goes down here. And the USB, I will find out. But that's not important at the moment. And it comes in a carrying satchel. Now, I ordered this thing Wednesday, and they said it was going to come in Monday, which is 2 days from now. It came here already. So I guess they're trying to give themselves brownie points by just sending it early. So came priority mail. It came in this black bag and the 2 pieces. And right now I have not tested it as of yet. As you see, it was just an open box. And I'm going to read the instructions and find out exactly, how to operate this. But it seems like it's self-explanatory by just looking at it. And that's it. And I'm not going to open this right now because I'm not going to use the flosser right as of now. So I'm going to keep this sealed up. And by the way, they have a membership. So every 12 weeks, they'll send you a tip for the toothbrush. And I think 24 weeks, they'll send you a tip for the flosser. So you don't have to join the program, but I looked on Amazon and you have to pay, X amount of dollars just to have the replacements. And it's comparable in price. I believe the toothbrush tip is like $6 and then the flosser tip is like $7, something along that line. So you should, either or, whether you go without the membership or the membership, you should be okay. And this grand total, it was given through my dentist, and it came out to $100. Now the old one, which I had, which was the B Weiss, I bought it off of Amazon, and it was like $50. So technically, you are, they're $50 a piece. But if you don't do the membership, the price goes up to like $140. Just keep that in mind when you are getting this. And I think it was on Amazon for $59 for the toothbrush and $59 for the flosser. So that's $118. So you're saving $18 regardless. And so this is Brother from the Third Stone. I hope you enjoyed this. This is my first open box or opening the package for anything. And I hope it was had the good information for you. All right, peace.